So today we are in Flushing in the borough of Queens in New York City. It turns out it's not a buffet, so I can't do anything about that. But I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna see what they have. So I'm very excited. So we got some pieces of fried chicken right here. We got a piece of lemon and some kind of sauce. So it looks really crispy. I'm gonna actually dip it in here and try it. Oh, that's really good. I think that's like a spicy mayo.
Yo.
It's juicy, it's not dry. It's really flavorful. I need to take another one because it's really good. Oh my god, it's so good. It actually looks like sushi, but with meat on top, which is really interesting because I've never seen something like that, and I'm really excited because it looks good. Wow. Kind of sweet, kind of salty. I love this. I love that sauce. So I got the meats right here. Oh, it smells good. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one. Try this one. I'm gonna try this one. Okay. I'm gonna try this one. Too hot. This one. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow. This almost tastes like something you would eat at Korean barbecue. That's really good. It's like a slightly smoky flavor. It's really sweet. It's really juicy. It's not dry at all. It's really nice. I like that. Okay. So I'm actually gonna dip it in all the sauces. So we got ponzu here. We got spicy, sweet soy. So I'll try the ponzu first. Dip this in the spicy. No, I like spicy stuff, so I think I like this one. I really like that one. Now I'm gonna dip it in the sweet soy. Wow, I really like these two right here. So now we got some calamari. We grilled it in the grill. So I'm gonna try this. Tastes good. Nice and chewy. It's not tough. Sometimes it can be tough, but this is really it barely takes any effort to chew, and it almost melts in your mouth. I'm gonna dip it in here. That's good. Salt. That's good. That's a slight lemon flavor because of the lemon. Nice and crispy. That's good. Nicely cooked. That's good. I love salmon. Salmon is my favorite. That's good. I think it's like fried like octopus ball, something like that. It has like some kind of batter inside, I'm sure. So I'm gonna take one of these. Wow. It's so soft, it's creamy. I love the flavor. I don't know what kind of sauce that is, but I like what they sprayed on top. It's really creamy and soft, and it almost melts in your mouth. All I have left is just some edamame. So I just eat that. Some edamame.
흔들리는데 이거? 우리 뭐 하는 거 같아?
So let's see if you choose the